Hey guys, this is Matt over at Baker Drivetrain. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the tools needed for F6R or factory 6-speed reverse installation. So first off, it's going to be extremely handy to have your Harley-Davidson service manual. If you don't have one already, we definitely recommend getting one because it'll walk you through the basic procedure needed to disassemble your transmission. Next up, you're going to need some basic common hand tools. If you don't have them already, you can get them at your local tool shop, online, wherever. You need a decent set of Allen wrenches, a very good set of snap ring pliers or retaining ring pliers, as well as your standard socket sets and a 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive ratchet, as well as you're going to need a healthy breaker bar and a set of torque wrenches for the job. Next off, you're going to need a 10mm Allen. If you don't have a metric set of Allens, you're going to need it for our main shaft retainer nut. Alright, so besides your common hand tools, you will need a few specialty tools also. We do have like our custom in-house made primary drive locking tools for FL models. These aren't for sale, unfortunately, so you will have to source them through either Harley-Davidson, gyms, something like that. Next up, we do have our handy little inner race puller. Definitely you will need this for a factory disassembly of your transmission, as well as a bearing splitter to disassemble the counter shaft completely. Some tools that aren't pictured are that I don't have out on the bench right now. We don't have a hydraulic press over here, which you will definitely need to disassemble and reassemble the transmission. Other than that, you will need some red and blue thread lock, as well as some anti-seize and a few black zip ties just to zip tie up your safety cable out of the way. Typically it's going to be zip tied up to the frame, but as long as that goes, this is a relatively hard install, I guess I would say, but if you're not comfortable with doing it, we definitely recommend reaching out to your local authorized Baker dealer and having it installed through them. And like always, if you have any questions during installation, you can give us a call. Thanks for watching.